Today you join me with this Ferrari 250 short wheelbase in competition specification. This car has been delivered to us without an interior. We've already supplied some seat frames to the customer, so they've been fitted prior to delivery of the car. Now we need to go through and fabricate every single panel from the doors, the quarter panels. We need to make the headlining rods and all of the panels, the sun visors, etc. before the team can get on with trimming the car. We absolutely love projects like this because there's a lot more to it than just retrimming what came in. There's a lot of fabrication work and thinking time that goes in before we can start the trim process. So we hope you enjoy watching this project go from a bare cabin through to a beautiful finished interior.
Today you catch me working on these 250 short wheelbase seat frames that we fabricated in-house. That means we made all the frames, the aluminium, the webbing. It's a great help to have an original short wheelbase right behind me, so we can use that to get all the character of these seats and the measurements absolutely perfect.
I hope you've enjoyed seeing this bare cabin transformed into what I have around me now. Hopefully you've seen the team fabricating all of the panels, from these intricate headlining panels, the sun visors, all of the brackets had to be fabricated before they could be trimmed and installed. We've then fabricated seat frames, tailored them to suit this cabin. They've also then been trimmed and installed, ready to go. We've then gone about using all of the correct materials in this cabin, from the mix of perforated and plain vinyl on the headlining. It's got the Connolly Vomol in 3104. It's got our Italian wall carpet and the correct profile 250 rubber mats. We also re-engineered the door handle mechanisms to accept these correct 250 short wheelbase style opening handles. We believe we're one of the few trim shops in the world where you would actually be able to deliver a car missing its entire interior, have it all fabricated, trimmed, fitted, ready to be collected and driven away. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any comments or questions, drop them below, and we look forward to seeing you in another video soon.